Hey everyone, welcome to this Proposify tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Proposify step by step. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, or part of a sales team, this tool is about to make your proposal process so much smoother. But first, what exactly is Proposify? Proposify is an online proposal software that helps you create, send, track, and close business proposals all in one place. It's designed to save you time, make your proposals look professional, and boost your close rate because you know exactly when your prospect opened the proposal and what they looked at. So if you're tired of chasing clients with follow-up emails or dealing with formatting, you will love what Proposify can do. Before we jump in, let's take a look at the pricing. Here you can see the different plans available. First, there's the basic plan, which is $29 per month. So this lets you send on-brand proposals quickly and close deals. And then we've got the team plan, which is popular. It costs $49 per month. So this is for collaborating with teams, integrating their tech stack. And then you've got the business proposal, which is $65 per month. And this is for growing teams looking to get consistency at scale. So based on the features, you can choose the one that best suits your needs. All right, so let's dive right in. So first off, you're going to go to proposify.com and then you're going to click on sign up for free. To sign up, you're going to need your work email, first name, last name, and a password. All right, next you're going to need to enter your company name and a subdomain name. All right, so once you type in your company name, a subdomain name is gonna be suggested for you. So you can go ahead and just continue with this. All right, so I'm just gonna click on continue. Now Proposify would like to set you up with your first template. Templates are what make your proposal process faster, cleaner, and way more consistent. Instead of starting from scratch every single time, you can just pick a template that's already designed, already polished, and already approved by your team. Everything stays on brand, the content stays up to date, and you're not scrambling to remember what worked last time. So for me, the best part is you don't need to start from scratch. So let's go ahead and do this. All right, so I'm just going to click here. All right, so now I'm being asked to select a template and there's an option here to filter by industry. So if you click on this drop down, you're going to see different industries here. So let's just go with professional services and consulting. And then it's going to show us the templates that would suit this industry. So let's choose one. All right, so let's go with this. All right, so here's a guide to guide you through building a template, but we're just gonna skip this. All right, so I'm inside the template editor now, and this is where it all happens. Let's start with the left-hand menu. So this is basically your proposal broken into sections. You've got things like cover letter, about us, testimonials, description of job, your investment, terms and conditions, and proposal sign-offs. So you can click on any of these to edit the content inside that section. It's super organized and makes it really easy to build out your proposal step by step. Now over to the right-hand menu. This is where you manage your template details. You can set the template name, choose or add signees, and even insert a signature field to make it official. And below that, there's design and layout, which controls how your proposal looks visually, like fonts, spacing, colors, and all of that. You've also got permissions, so you can control who has access to this template within your team. And then if you just look to the side of the editor, you see options to add text, images, videos, shapes, and more. So this is your content toolbox. Just drag and drop what you need into any section of the proposal. And at the top right corner, there are two handy tools. You've got edit styles and formatting, which lets you quickly adjust fonts, sizes, and colors across the entire proposal. This is super helpful for staying on brand. And then there's generate proposal, which is what you use when you're ready to send this out to a client. Yeah, so that's everything in the template editor. And then once you're done, you can simply just click on generate proposal. All right, so you've just saved your template. Now Proposify gives you a few things you can do right away to organize and prepare it for use. So you may also choose to assign this or to associate this with a particular client. If you've already got a client, you can simply just select the client, or you can even add a new client if you don't have one yet, or if you haven't added that client yet. Then you've got assignees. You may choose to assign this to someone in your team. So let's just go with Anna Jack. You've got stream, document number, and then down here, if you'd like to attach a document to it, you can just drag and drop or click here to upload. All right, so now that we're in the dashboard, you can see some things on your left hand menu, which is your navigation menu. So think of this as your command center for everything you need to do within Proposify. So first you've got dashboard. This gives you a quick overview of your recent activity, key metrics, and any important updates. Then you've got content library. This is where you store all your reusable content, things like service descriptions, team member bios, case studies, pricing tables, and images. Yeah, and then next you've got template section. So here's where you can access and manage all the templates you've created or that are available to your team. You can organize them, edit existing ones, and create new ones from scratch. So here's an already created template. Yeah, it's right here. This is the one we just created, and you may even choose to edit it if you'd like that. Next, you've got metrics. So this is where you find all the data and analytics related to your proposals. You can track things like open rates, conversion rates, and the overall value of your proposals. This helps you understand what's working and identify areas for improvement. Then under users, you can manage your team members who have access to Proposify. You can add new users, assign roles and permissions, and control who can see and do what within the platform. Next, you've got clients. So this section is where you manage your client list. You can add new clients, organize their information, and easily access past proposals and related data from each client. Then down here, you've got integrations. So integrations allow you to connect Proposify with other tools you might be using, such as your CRM, accounting software, or project management platforms. And this just helps you streamline your workflow and keep all your important systems in sync. So here you can see Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, Harvest, Stripe, FreshBooks, lots of different integrations here. All right, then next you've got your settings section. So just click on settings, and then you see a couple of options. So the settings area is where you can customize your Proposify account to match your company's branding and workflow. So let's take a look at the options we've got here. We've got company info, domains, billing, email templates, currency, client preview, available fonts, roles, workspaces, and custom fields. All right, so company info is where you enter and manage all the essential details about your business. This includes your company name, address, logo, and the rest. So let's click on it, company info. So here you can see a couple of things about your company. You can see there's a provision here to upload or drag and drop your logo, and there's an option to change it. Now let's try dragging and dropping a logo. All right, so we've just uploaded a logo. Then you can go ahead and enter your address, country, and the rest of it. And then once you're done, you select save. All right, so your company's information has been successfully updated. All right, now that we've updated our company information, we can go to users and add a user. So one has already been added. So this is the account owner, which will probably be you. Now, if you want to add another user, you can just simply click on invite new user. All right, so you can just enter their first name, last name, email address, and their role. So they can either be an admin or a collaborator. So once you're done entering the details, you can just click on invite user. As you can see here on the right, Proposify already drafts a message for you inviting a new user. Next, you're going to need to add clients. All right, so if you've already got a list of clients, you can simply just come here and search for that client by typing their name. But if you want to add a new one, you can just click on new client. And then you see a couple of options. You can add a new company. So these are companies. So companies contain one or more contacts. And then you've got a new contact. These are the people you communicate with within the company. Or you could simply just import from your active integration. So these are the three options available to you. So let's try adding a new company. So if you click on add new company, you'll need the company name, address line, city, and the country. Then once you're done, you just click on save. And just like that, your company will be added. All right, so here's the company we just created. So now we're in the metrics section. So this is where things get interesting because we can actually see how our proposals are doing. Think of it like checking the scoreboard for your sales efforts. So you probably see something like business view and reporting. So this is super handy because it gives you the big picture. It's like saying, okay, where are all my potential deals right now? How many are just starting? How many have been sent? How many did we win? It really helps you understand your sales pipeline at a glance. So the section called Proposal Metrics just lets you zoom in on all the details. So you notice filters like last month, all streams, all users, all clients. So this just helps you keep track of everything. Then you've also got your content library, which stores all of your content sections, feeds, snippets, and images that can be imported into proposals. So all the things you need will be stored here. Then of course you've got your template section. So if you'd like to edit this a bit more, you just click on edit and it will take you back to the editor. All right, and that's how you use Proposify. I hope you found this useful. Thank you.